is almost the end of April. You know what that means. It is time for another Petit Vour unboxing. Yes, the Petit Vour Plus box. So if you don't know how this works, we're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we're going to unbox this month's box, and then we're going to talk pricing. So last month, we got more Upcircle. If you remember, we got the Upcircle Peptide Serum with the custard apple and the blood orange. I used it. I liked it. I didn't notice anything crazy, but, you know, it's a serum. It made my skin feel hydrated. If your serum's not making your skin feel hydrated, I don't know why you're using it. It did feel good on the skin, but like I said, no noticeable difference. The eye roller was fine. So it's another step, but it makes putting on eye cream more fun, I guess. That's the only thing I can say. I didn't notice anything different about using an eye roller versus just patting it with my fingers, but it's fun. It was fun to do. It felt kind of cool going over the eyes. Just, I don't know. It was nice. I didn't notice it doing anything different. Like, you guys know how I feel about eye cream in general, so I thought, you know, maybe using the eye roller might help. It didn't do anything different, but it was fun. It was a fun thing. I will enjoy using it in the future. It makes putting on the eye cream a little bit more fun. The My Shell Tinted Serum. So I liked this. I like a tinted serum, moisturizing, you know, you put it on. So like I would wash my face, put on my toner. I would put on this serum, and then I would put on my moisturizer. So I liked this, but generally when I use a tinted thing, I like to use it in lieu of doing foundation. If I'm not going for a full face, I just like to use that, and that usually, if it provides enough coverage, hopefully, then I can just use that. This one did not provide enough coverage to do that. So it was nice, as in it did moisturize the skin, and obviously it has SPF, but the tint was not enough to matter, in my opinion. That's what I would say. It's like, why put tint in it at all if I don't notice anything different? But you know, maybe that's because a lot of people don't like the white sheen that some things with SPF have, and maybe that's why they tinted it. I don't know. I didn't think it did enough of anything to matter as far as the tint, but it did work as a moisturizer. The Belle Pierre palette, the Peach Blossom palette, can you just get it away from me? I'm so tired of seeing this thing. I don't like it. I've never liked it. I'm not going to start liking it magically. It's not changing. They're not changing the formula and making it more pigmented, so I don't care. Don't like it. That's all there is to say. The Belle Pierre eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner. So I actually did like this. It was great. I still don't love it as much as I love my pens with the felt tip. I just feel like it's easier to hold, and it makes it easier to do your wing. So I still like that more, but this, I've been using it. I like it. I think it's fine. So out of all of these, would I buy any of them again? Probably not, if I'm being honest. Like I said, the eye roller is fun. I will probably use that more so going into the future, but I wouldn't buy it again because I have one. I guess maybe if it breaks, I would consider it. Yeah, like I would use these products, but it's not, I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase these products, if that makes any sense. All right, let's take it down and unbox our new box. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Happy mail day. My favorite day of the month. Out. There's all that if you're curious. So the 100% Pure Does It All sheet mask. I've tried this before, but I will use it again. And there's your ingredients if you're curious. Who doesn't love a good sheet mask? Finally, some new products. All right. 100% Pure French Lavender Whipped Body Butter. Okay. I do like 100% Pure. And I do like me a body butter. There is the ingredients. If you can read them okay. Oh my gosh, why am I shaking? Chill. There we go. I have to smell this. it smells just as you would expect, guys. It smells like lavender. So, but that's fun. I do like that. Ooh, we got another balm here. I actually just got these last year for Christmas, but that's okay. I'm actually going to give this to my daughter because she really likes these. This is the Rachel Couture Strawberry 24 Moisture Lip Balm. It works really well. It's not tinted though. It looks clear. At least on my lips it does. But yeah, I'm going to give that to her. She's going to love that. Oh, I should probably show you the ingredients. Pause. And there we go. Because I have tons of lip balm. Ooh, the Sonara Kapu Aku Seed Body Butter. I actually used this last year. I used the whole tin. It's actually really good. Especially in the wintertime when I have super cracked, dry, sad skin. That is great. And we got some more Belle Pierre Precious 24 Karat Gold Brightening Vitamin C Booster. So I had this last year and I used all of it. I did like it. Did it do anything? I don't know, but I did use it. So there is the ingredients. And there is the ingredients for that. And that's it, guys. So we got one new product and 4 old products. Alright guys, we are back up top. Now it's time to talk pricing. So, even though a lot of these things are repeats, we're still going to talk about the pricing so that you know how good of a value it is. The lip balm, $5. The Sonara Kapuku Seed Body Butter, this is like the sample size. This is $5. The Belle Pierre Brightening Serum. This is the high ticket item. This is about $40. Another high ticket item is the 100% pure French lavender whipped body butter. That is $30. And then the 100% pure Does It All face mask. So for a face mask, it is expensive. I could only find it for $7. So that brings our grand total up to $87 for this lot, guys. So these are all products I will use. So I'm not disappointed with this haul, but it's like I want to see something new. I know I could just do the normal box, but the reason I like the Petit Vour Plus box is because it gives you the objects from past boxes that people really liked. So I'm like, okay, give me some other stuff that people were like. I want to know what everybody is enjoying. And this I'm going to enjoy in my nice relaxing spa time, as well as the sheet mask. This is going to be great, but I'm not going to use this until probably the fall or winter when my skin is at its driest. And I will use this again. Right now I don't need to use this because I'm working through some other serums right now, but still, these are all objects, makeups and skincare that I will use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all next month for our next Petit Vour unboxing. Bye.